we are aware about that direct infringement there. So, what exactly the direct infringement is there? When someone is directly violates the exclusive rights of the copyright. So, copying book without the permission, it's complete violation of the copyright. We have seen the case of that Google and Author Guild. Okay, it was a scanning of the book. So, it is a direct infringement. Okay. So, publicly performing a copyrighted song without the license, if your intention is a commercial, if the activity is commercial, for example DJ, it is a commercial activity. If it is a commercial activity again, then if that public performing is that, you have to take a license. If you have not taken a license, you are attracting a legal action against that particular thing. Or distributing copies of a film without authorization. Suppose tomorrow this say for example Kalki movie just recently came, you have created the copy of that on the pen drive, and then you are just you are inviting people and you are just giving the copies of that Kalki as a gesture of your, we can say, the you feel that yes, you are doing a good thing by sharing that copies of the Kalki. This will not be an acceptable thing. Have you taken permission from the producer for doing that thing? That is unauthorized distributing. Okay.